In this video, I'm going to review DSers, which is one of the best dropshipping tools out there. And for your reference, I'm also going to compare it to AutoDS for some of the characteristics, just to give you a sense of how well it's doing. So I've included the links to both DSers and AutoDS in the description and pinned comment of this video, so make sure you check it out. DSers offers a freemium model, so you can actually get started with their free model that's completely free forever. And this is really useful if you don't want to spend money before trying it out. But you can also try out their paid plans, starting from the advanced, pro, all the way up to the enterprise. You can try it 14 days for free, and there's no credit card required, so you don't have to worry about accidentally getting billed. So as you can see, the cheapest plan that's paid starts from about 20 bucks a month if you pay monthly, and if you pay yearly, then it drops down to about 16 bucks a month. And so you can see right here all the different features that are included in each plan. So DSers is really useful for people that are starting out with a tight budget and you want to try it out for free before you spend any money. And they have a free plan that's forever free, so you can use some of their features without ever having to spend any money. Now let's talk about platform integration. DSers is specifically optimized for Shopify and WooCommerce, and it's officially partnered with AliExpress, which enhances its integration for efficient processing and management of AliExpress orders. So if you plan on using AliExpress, then you would probably be better off using DSers, because DSers is really focused on integrating well with AliExpress. Now let's talk about automation features. DSers focuses on streamlining the AliExpress ordering process, offering powerful automation tools for placing orders in bulk, finding and applying AliExpress coupons automatically, and for syncing tracking numbers. Now what about product sourcing and management? DSers excels in its integration with AliExpress, which allows users to quickly find and import products, manage variant mappings, and optimize product offerings with supplier optimization tools. What about order fulfillment and tracking? DSers automates order fulfillment directly from AliExpress, simplifying the process of managing large volumes of orders, especially for Shopify and WooCommerce users. But what about the customer support and training? So DSers also has great contact support service. You can actually contact them 24/7 by either sending them a message or doing a live chat. They also provide detailed guides and FAQs for troubleshooting common problems as part of their resources. Now what about analytics and reporting tools? DSers provides analytics focused on order volume and sales performance, especially tailored for AliExpress sellers using Shopify or WooCommerce. However, its analytics might not be as in-depth as the ones that are offered by AutoDS. Now what about user interface and ease of use? DSers features a clean and straightforward interface that's designed for seamless management of AliExpress orders that makes it really easy to use, and especially for those that are focused on Shopify or WooCommerce platforms. What about scalability? While DSers is also effective for managing bulk orders on AliExpress and scaling operations within Shopify or WooCommerce, it may have limitations for users that are looking to expand beyond these two platforms. But what do customers and people who actually use these tools have to say about them? Let's look at their reviews on Trustpilot. Well, DSers has a pretty good review as well, 1363 at this time, with an average of 5.0, which is excellent. It's not, however, a verified company on Trustpilot, but the rankings are very, very good. Like, all of their reviews basically are 5 stars, literally no 2 stars, and like extremely few reviews that are below that. Lots of recent reviews as well, as early as 11 hours ago. Whereas DSers is more suitable for people that are focused on maximizing their dropshipping operations on Shopify or WooCommerce with AliExpress as their primary supplier. Each software tool excels in different areas, and you have to kind of choose which one is better for you based on your priorities and which software and tools you currently use for your business. I've included the links for both AutoDS and DSers in the description of this video and the pinned comment, so you can check them out. If you have any questions or comments, just drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.